Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of the Felicity Jane kit for the month of July. This is called Ginny. And let me show you what Ginny looks like. A summer girl that's ready for a hot girl summer. I have my paper already here and I've kind of have everything laid out, but before I get started I kind of want to give you an update on the albums that I'm working on. So in case you're new and you don't know, I've been working on these two albums. The pink one is for you guys and the mint one is for me. I been doing pages. I'm gonna fill it up and I'm going to obviously work on mine. It gives a purpose to my subscription kit, but also I want to do layouts for you guys, and when this album is full it's gonna be gifted as a giveaway. So I wanted to kind of do a little flip through and give you an update because I believe that I have not shared some of the layouts with you, or I feel like I've worked on some of these like off camera, especially this one. This one was inspired by Sheree Forcier on Instagram. I believe she also has a YouTube channel though, and this was a sketch challenge for the month of June. Credit goes to her because again she basically created this and I loved it so much that I wanted to recreate it. So this is inspired by her. That's the introduction page. Then this is the, I don't remember, this was the May kit, I believe April or May, and this is what those pages look like. And then this was last month, also the month of June. So these are what the pages look like, and that's everything that I've done so far. Again, I just started. Well, every month, I mean, it's gonna take me a while to fill it up because every month with every kit I kind of try to do two layouts, one for you guys and then one for me. So let me go ahead and show you mine. And I can definitely tell that for your, and I say you guys, but it's because one of you guys is going to be the winner. But I feel like for this one, I'm using like a little bit of the brighter colors. And then for me, I'm keeping some of the pastel colors. So let me show you. This is again inspired by the challenge that Sheree Forcier, I'm sorry, I mispronouncing that, and just changed up the colors but kept the same sketch obviously. And I ran out of the puffy stickers, so I just kind of implemented some of the leftovers that I had. And this is the introduction page for my album, and then you flip it this way, and this is again what I did for the month of April. I still have my journaling to do in that area. And then this is just another extra layout. This one is with leftover pieces. I honestly don't even remember if it was a specific kit. I just had these pieces left over. So it's a mixture of Felicity Jane things that I've had. And just wanted to do a little photo shoot with my daughter in her backpack. And then this is the one that I did for last month, for June. So I have one extra layout, which is this one. And again, this one is with just spares and mixes of kits that I had. So I do have one more layout than the other album. And then this one is from last month. And that's what I've done so far. So today I'm going to share with you the Ginny kit. Again, this is for July, and I wanted to show you guys the pieces because I don't share everything. I do like to work by myself off camera, but I wanted to show you the pieces so that if I do share a project with you, then at least you know where it's coming from and you could see the pieces more individually, I guess. So again, this is the Ginny paper pack, and this is, I feel like, very summer inspired. And I don't know if it's very like 4th of July, watermelon, fireworks kind of thing. At least that's the vibe that I went with. So in here, we'll start with the paper pack. The daisies on the front, and then just some green dots in the back. Then you have some stripes. And these colors are not as soft as the other kits. And then you have like that red Winham, like almost tablecloth in this side. Then you have the florals here, and then, oh yeah, never mind, this is the soft side. And then some soft white and pink dots. I don't know if you guys can tell right there, but very beautiful, very soft colors. Then this one is wildflowers. And then on the back you have the minty color that's so common on the Felicity Jane brand, and these are just some honeycombs. Then you have, hold on, because these are gonna slide right over and I'm gonna end up losing that. You have some grid background, and then some hearts. Then you have labels and some stars, blue stars on the back. I'm telling you, I feel like it's very Americana, very 4th of July celebration. This is red, and then a soft pink, navy blue, and then my mat is super dirty. I'm gonna clean it after I'm done filming this video. And just the yellow on the background. Then the journal cards, again, I've already kind of taken the plastic out so that I don't make noise for you guys. This is single-sided as usual, and these are, I guess this is chapter 7 for the month 7. And then these are the colors. That pink is gorgeous, and then the oh happy day. So those are the journal cards. I'm gonna keep everything in my box just so that I could kind of keep everything together when I'm ready to work on the projects. Then here we did get a roll of the washi tape with the daisy pattern there. Let me see if I could. You know what, I need to be better about using the washi tapes that come on these kits, because I have yet to do a project that involves the washi tape for this kit, from these kits. So that's what it looks like. Let's see, then this month we also got a pack of the stars. This is what they look like. They're sewn in the middle, which again is like an easy dupe, you guys. You could definitely create this if you have a star die. It's like a pattern paper and then vellum at the top. And then it's just sewn through the middle. I definitely think that we could make a dupe out of that. Then you get some Scallop Stencil, which is the first time. I've had this subscription kit for, I want to say, a year. And this is the first time that I receive a stencil in the kit. I've also mentioned it before that I actually enjoy their kits. I think it's one of the best quality subscription kits, and I've had a few, but this one has remained, and it's the only one I'm subscribed to now. And it's a really good quality. And one of the reasons that I also enjoy them is because every month you get different things. It's not, some of the items are repetitive, like the paper pack, the journal cards, most of them come with the 4x6 stamp set, but the rest of the things alternate and you get like random pieces, and I actually like that. I don't know, I enjoy that. Okay, so you also get a epoxy hearts. Those are the colors. Then you also get puffy alphabet stickers, and I want to say these are white. They have like a tint of like a real soft pink, but not really. It's white, and it doesn't say, but if you're looking at it at a weird angle, or maybe it's just my eyes playing with me, it almost has like a real white with a touch of pink, but I could be wrong. Either way, I always love getting these because these, you can remove them, put them back, remove them, put them back, and honestly, they don't damage your project. So I love having those and stocking up on them. As I've already mentioned it, you tend to get a 4x6 stamp set. This one, again, it's just called Ginny, just like the kids, and it's all about, I don't know, it's all about summer, I feel like. But it's a lot of sentiments that you could definitely use year-round, not just specifically for summer. So I like that. And then the last thing is the ephemera pieces. Let me go ahead and open this so I can show you. And when I saw the watermelons, that's why I felt like this is definitely a summer. You know what I mean? So there's the watermelon, some daisies, and then again the Americana feel with the color, the blue and the reds. Here's a little skinny tag there, and just, oh, there you get 2 tags. And then just some little banners, more daisies, Ginny herself. Oh, more daisies out here, and then just a little banner. And these circles are chipboard pieces. Well, I'm sorry, not chipboard pieces. They're like ephemera, but they're like a fake sequin in paper, basically. And that is the ephemera for this kit. Can you guys even see? Yeah, that's the ephemera for this kit, you guys. So I know this was hopefully it wasn't too long. Hopefully it was a short video for you guys, and hopefully you guys come back so that you could see how I put the projects kind of together. But this is the unboxing for today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Have a good day and week and weekend. See you soon. Bye bye.